Let's learn how to say our farm animals in Navajo. We will be going over sheep, cow, duck, pig, rabbit, goat, chicken, goose, and the horse. Are you ready? Don't forget to say them with me. Debe, sheep. Begashi, cow. Nal ethe, duck. Besode, pig. G, rabbit. Ize, goat. Naahochai, chicken. Nal ethe, goose. See, horse. Good job. Let's review what we've learned so far. Debe, sheep. Begashi, cow. Nal ethe, duck. Besode, pig. Ga, rabbit. Ize, goat. Naahochai, chicken. Nal ethe, goose. Li, horse. Don't forget that practice makes perfect. And as always, thank you for listening and watching. Ahiha.